Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Goma-ae, sesame seeds marinated vegetables. It's a very popular school lunch side dish. We usually use spinach, but any other vegetables are okay. Kids eat vegetables very well. It's easy to make, simple yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Put spinach in the boiling water and cook for 30 seconds. Soak in cold water, then drain well. You can prepare crisp and tasty spinach in this way. Cut into bite-sized pieces. I know my daughter is cutting too long.
みんなどうやって
そんな
長い
I told her his brother gonna
一つず
choke.
つになった
長っ
いつもそんなぐらいと
あ、分かったよ、多分
Put bean sprouts in the boiling water and cook for 30 seconds. Then drain well. Cut carrot into strips. Put in the boiling water and cook for a minute. Then drain well. Put all the vegetables in a bowl. Add seasonings, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground sesame seeds. Then toss to coat.
Now it's done.
It's a colorful and nutritious side dish idea. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more Japanese school lunch ideas on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
大きくない？食べれるそんなの。
食べれるよ
食べれるか。
めっちゃ美味しいあいいだよわかる
美味しいんだ。だから大きいんじゃないって言ったんだよ。
大きくないチャンネル登録お願いしますグッドボタン押してねバイバイ